Well, hey everybody, it's me, Mitch, old guy and a drone. And this is going to be the final video of 3 about the Tyro89. What you're looking at now is a highly condensed version of that 3-hour live build that I did for this thing. And we did get it built. There were a few issues that I had, things that I think they could have done differently. But, you know, for $89, it turned out to be a pretty nice little kit. So got the thing finished, built, configured in Betaflight, and then I took it outside for its first test flight, line of sight, which was just to make sure that the thing flew well, didn't flip out, run away, fly away, and the controls and the rates seem to be okay. So with that working out real good, I just waited for a few days for the wind to die down, and this morning had a gorgeous morning. Took it out to the park for its first goggles flight, FPV flight, and I'm going to share that with you now. So I hope you enjoy it. Well, I was pleasantly surprised. It flies very well. I don't think the tune is right on, and there's some oscillations when you do a hard stop. But all in all, it felt like a much larger quad flying it. And I tended to forget that I was flying a tiny little, almost toothpick-sized quad. Had plenty of power on a 3-cell, and I was using a 650 milliamp 3S, and got over 6 minutes on this flight, which is terrific. With the exception of a few minor shortcomings in building, I think the largest of those was the fact that it didn't come with any instructions. For $89, after building it and now flying it, I think I'd recommend it to anybody. It's a fun little quad. Comes with Betaflight 3.5.5, which is an older version, and I think that I am going to upgrade this to the new Betaflight 4.1 and with RPM filtering, and hopefully I can take out most of the oscillations that it has. Not bad, but you do get a little shuddering when you do a hard stop or an abrupt maneuver. About the only thing that I think I might like to change on this is the power in the VTX, and this comes with a 25 milliwatt VTX, and as you can see, if you get behind a few trees or you don't get very far, you really do start to get breakup. Now, I know that EMAX, the Tinyhawk the new Tinyhawk 2 comes with a 200 milliwatt VTX, which is certainly about the same size. So that's something I'm going to look into, replacing the stock one that the Eachine came with, and maybe we put the 200 milliwatt VTX in there, and that'd give me a lot more range on the goggles. I'm real happy with this little thing, and I look forward to flying it a lot. Might even buy another one. So with that, enjoy the rest of the flight, and we'll see you next time.